Important symbols and formulas. Number of teeth on pinion is small t. Number of teeth on gear is capital T. Gear ratio is G. Pitch circle radius of pinion is small r. Pitch circle radius of gear is capital R. Addendum circle radius of pinion is small ra. Addendum circle radius of gear is Ra. Modulium is M. Diameter pitch is PD. Circular pitch is PC. Base pitch is PB. Pressure angle is pi. Length of path of contact is LPC. Length of arc of contact is LAC. Speed of pinion is N1. Speed of pinion is N2. Angular speed is omega 1. Angular speed of gear is omega 2. Random constant of gear is AW. Random constant of gear pinion is AP. Random constant of rack is AR. Center distance is C. Involute factor is involute function of pi is involute pi. Change in center distance delta C. Operating pressure angle is psi dash, pi dash. Operating center distance is C dash. Backlash is capital B. Tooth thickness at P circle is TP. Tooth thickness at point B is TB. Torque is MT. Important formulae. Pitch circle radius of pinion R is MT by 2. Pitch circle radius of gear capital R is capital T by 2. Addendum circle radius of pinion RA is R plus addendum. Addendum circle radius of gear RA is R plus addendum. Circular pitch PC is pi into M. Module pitch M is D by D or D by D, D by T. Diameter pitch PD is D by D, T by D. Base pitch is PB, pi M cos pi. Gear ratio G is T by T. Angular velocity of pinion, that is omega 1 is 2 pi n1 by 60. Angular velocity of gear 2 omega 2 is 2 pi n2 by 60. Rolling velocity V is omega 1 into R or omega 2 into R. Path of approach is square root of RA square minus R square cos square pi R sin pi. Path of S is square root of small RA square cos R square cos square pi minus R sin pi. Length of path of contact RA square square root of R square R square cos square pi plus square root of R small R square cos square pi minus R plus R sin pi. Length of arc of contact length of path of contact by cos pi. Tooth thickness at any point C, TC is involute B, TB plus 2RB minus involute of C into 2RC, where 2B the tooth thickness at a known point B. Backlash B is 2C dash involute of pi dash minus involute of pi. Change in center distance delta C minus C dash minus C. Standard center distance C is R plus R. Ratio R dash R bar dash is C by C dash equal C dash cos pi dash equals to C cos pi. RB cos pi B equals to RC cos pi C. Length of path of contact of equal gears is 2 into square root of RA square minus R square cos square pi minus R sin pi. maximum number of teeth on a year. To avoid interference, T is 2AW upon 1 plus 3 sine square pi square root minus 1.